Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for the best product breakdowns. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best office paper tray on the market right now, the Supeasy 5 Trays Paper Organizer with Handle. Whether you're looking to declutter your workspace at home, the office, or even at school, this mesh desk file organizer promises to bring structure to your chaos. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk design. The Supeasy organizer features 5 spacious trays stacked vertically, allowing you to store, sort, and access paper with ease. It's built using high-quality industrial-strength steel wire mesh, and its frame is reinforced with solid steel, giving it that robust, durable structure that doesn't wobble or sag even with daily use. The black mesh look gives it a sleek, modern vibe that fits into just about any office or study setting. Plus, the trays are slightly angled for visibility and accessibility. But here's where the design gets smart, the handle. Yes, a paper organizer with a handle. This makes it incredibly easy to move the entire unit from one desk to another, or even from room to room, without having to disassemble anything or carry each tray separately. It's one of those little things that adds a ton of convenience. Next, let's cover installation. If you're tired of fiddling with screws, tools, and instruction manuals thicker than your college textbooks, you're going to love this. The Supeasy organizer can be assembled in minutes. No tools, no screws, no stress. The parts simply snap into place and stay secure. It's intuitive, and even someone assembling office furniture for the first time will get this done in no time. Functionality is where this product truly shines. Each of the 5 trays is spacious enough to hold standard letter-sized paper, folders, magazines, catalogs, or even lightweight books. Whether you're organizing work documents, school worksheets, or incoming and outgoing mail, this tray system adapts to your needs. And if your workspace is a premium zone, this organizer has you covered. It's designed to be space-saving, so instead of your paperwork taking over your desk, it's neatly stacked and easy to reach. It not only helps you stay organized but also clears up mental clutter by making everything feel more manageable. It's a great productivity booster. What's great is that it's not just limited to offices. Teachers can use it in classrooms for handouts and assignments. Students can sort notes by subject. Even at home, it can serve as a command center for household paperwork. The open mesh design also helps with visibility and air circulation, so no more musty paper piles. The tray is surprisingly lightweight, despite its metal construction, and the handle lets you use it as a mobile file station. It's versatile, durable, and fits into all kinds of environments. Whether you're into minimalism or maximalist organization, this tray flexes to your style. To wrap things up, the Supeasy 5 Trays Paper Organizer with Handle isn't just another office product. It's a smart, well-built tool that brings order to your everyday workflow. From its sturdy mesh frame to the convenient handle and easy tool-free assembly, it checks all the right boxes. It's space-saving, versatile, and built to last. So if you're ready to finally conquer the paper mountain on your desk, this might be the best investment you can make for your workspace. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more smart product reviews, and let us know in the comments if there's a product you want us to test next.